Look at the screen. What do I see? One apple.
One apple.
Two yellow bananas slide in with flair. One banana, two bananas. How many bananas do we see?
One, two bananas.
What's that long and green fruit I spot? 3 cucumbers. 1 cucumber, 2 cucumbers, 3 cucumbers. How many cucumbers do we count?
1, 2, 3. 3 cucumbers.
A tumble of tomatoes. Shinny and sweet. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 tomatoes. How many tomatoes do we count?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomatoes.
5 purple onions appear with a spin, rolling and gliding with glossy skin. 1 onion, 2 onions, 3 onions, 4 onions, 5 onions. How many onions do we see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 onions.
What are these big and green fruits? Watermelons. How many are there? 1 watermelon, 2 watermelons, 3 watermelons, 4 watermelons, 5 watermelons, 6 watermelons. How many watermelons do we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 watermelon.
7 lemons come zipping by. Their yellow skins reflect the light. This floor is magic, shiny, and bright. How many are these? 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, 4 lemons, 5 lemons, 6 lemons, 7 lemons. How many yellow lemons can we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lemons.
Look at the carrots, orange and proud, sliding in a single file, not too loud. 8 of them tap the glossy floor. Let's count them now. And maybe more. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 3 carrots, 4 carrots, 5 carrots, 6 carrots, 7 carrots, 8 carrots. How many do we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carrots.
9 green guavas quietly glow as they gently roll in a perfect row. No trees here, no leaves, and no grass. 1 guava, 2 guavas, 3 guavas, 4 guavas, 5 guavas, 6 guavas, 7 guavas, 8 guavas, 9 guavas. How many do we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 guavas.
Last come 10 green peppers in a line, marching proudly, looking fine. Each one is shiny like never before. 1 pepper, 2 peppers, 3 peppers, 4 peppers, 5 peppers, 6 peppers, 7 peppers, 8 peppers, 9 peppers, 10 peppers. How many peppers do we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 10. Green pepper.
Great job, little learners! Awesome counting today, friends. Let's remember to revise our fruits and veggies with counting numbers from 1 to 10. We'll see you next time for more fun with letters, numbers, songs, and so much more right here on Start Learning ABC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Bye, Bambians!